Hi everyone, I am Manoj Khandelwal and welcome to Uncodemy, India's #1 IT training company. This is the third part of the video titled as how lists are indexed and sliced in Python. In the first part, I have discussed about what is list and how do we create them. In the second part, I discussed about what is indexing and slicing. And in the final third part, I'll be taking a practical example to demonstrate what is indexing and slicing of lists in Python. So, indexing example. I have already created a list, say fruits is the list. So here I want to extract mango from the list. So this is my list reference and these are the square brackets in which I will specify the index, means the position or location of the items in the list, and by default the index starts from 0 in Python. So banana will be stored at 0th index, mango will be at 1 and grapes will be at 2. Since I have to extract mango, so I'll be specifying index as 1. And you can see that our mango is extracted out of the list. Now I will take an example of slicing. So slicing means extracting a range of items, means more than one item you want to extract or cut out or slice out from the list. Say I want to extract mango and grapes both. So again I have to specify my list, and the syntax of slicing is different than indexing. So the syntax is like this. Syntax of slicing. So we have to specify our list, then we have to specify start. So start represents the starting index of the item we want to extract from a range, then stop, and it represents the ending index of the item you want to extract from the list. And there is one more step means how many items or elements you want to skip or jump. So I have to extract mango and grapes both. So the index of mango is 1, so I want to start from 1, and I want to go to grapes, so the index of grapes is 2. So if I will write 2 will be excluded, and this is the basic principle of slicing in Python. Either we are going for strings or lists, that stop number is excluded. So if I'll execute this, I'll get mango only, but I want to extract mango and grapes both, so I will increase it by 1. So 3 will be excluded but 2 will be included, so it will extract 2 items at once. One is placed or one is located at the index 1 and the second which is located at index number 2. So now both the items are extracted, mango and grapes. Since we are extracting a range of items or more than one item, that's why we call this process as slicing. So thank you very much. We'll meet in the next video.
For free career counseling or demo sessions, call or WhatsApp on this number.